In this video, I'll be teaching you guys how I edit my YouTube videos. So all you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end.
Join Grow Bit of Family today. Grow your social media platforms and make money online.
You're welcome to Grow Better. In this channel, we teach people how to grow the social media platform and also how to make money online. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Azimilian, and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime I post amazing video like this one you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video. Previously, I made a video on how I shoot my YouTube videos with mobile phone, and I promised that I'll be making a video on how I edit my video as well, which will be the continuation of the video. So in this particular video, I'll be showing you guys how I edit my video step by step on how I edit my video with InShot and CapCut, right? So the first thing I do if I'm editing my video is that I go to InShot, right? Because in InShot is where I correct and cut off the mistakes that I make during shooting. While shooting, you do make some mistakes, and when you make those mistakes, you don't need to off the camera and come back again. You just need to pick up and continue shooting. And after shooting, then you just need to cut off those mistakes and join the good ones together. So I'll be taking you guys to InShot to show you guys how I cut off my mistakes and join the good ones together, right? So guys, you're welcome to this side. The first thing I do is that I just open InShot. Once you open InShot, you come to this video, tap on video, then import the video you want to edit, right? So then, correcting the mistake, from here now, I'm not showing here, and I just walked in, right? So I'm just gonna be checking to know the place that I started recording, and which all these parts I've not really started recording, right? So I need to do is to keep scrolling to the place that I started recording. So I edit my YouTube videos. In this video, so this is where I started recording. So what I need to do is to come right here and tap on the video that I'm editing, then click on split. Right, once you click on split, then you delete off the first part, right? In this video, I'll be teaching you guys how I edit my YouTube. So all you need to do is to keep on listening to the video. Keep on listening to the video till anywhere you made a mistake. Then what you need to do is to just mark the place that you made the mistake, split it off, then play other ones to see where you corrected the mistake, then split it that way, that place that you corrected the mistake, then come to the center, which is the mistake that you made, then click on delete and delete it off, and you will see that the both of them will now rhyme and it will join together, right? So when you make a mistake, what you do is that once you make a mistake, don't go out, just continue and record the right thing. Once you record the right thing, all you need to do is just to come and split and delete off that place that you made the mistake, and join it up with the correct one, right? So that's it. That's what I do exactly on InShot. And when I'm done like splitting all of them, well, what I need to do is just to come and export. So when I'm exporting on this InShot, I export with 4K, right? I put the resolution on 4K, then export, and once I click on save, it will start exporting, right? So after exporting, then I'll now move to CapCut. So after cutting off the mistake and joining the good ones together, what I do next is to export, then head to CapCut, where I will now color grade. So the next thing I'm going to be doing right now is to color grade, right? So after color grading, then we'll move to another thing. So the next thing I'm going to be doing right now is to color grade. What I actually do in CapCut is to increase the saturation, the sharpness, and the contrast and other stuff that I'll be doing. So I'll be showing you guys how I do all these things in the other side of the screen. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to come to CapCut. So when I come to CapCut, I just need to click on new project, then come and select the video I just exported from InShot. Then if you want to color grade, what you need to do is you can see all the tools down here. Then you need to go and look for adjustments. That's how I color grade my video, right? So what I'm teaching you guys basically is how I edit my video. So when you're editing yours, you can choose the color you want or the way you want your video to be like. But I'm teaching you guys how I do my own. So, and that particular thing I did on InShot is something you can actually do on CapCut. But why I like doing it on InShot is because it's more easier for me on InShot. That's why I just do it on InShot, then come to CapCut to color grade. So what I do is that I come to this adjustment. You can see adjustment right here. Just tap on adjustment. Once you tap on adjustment, then you can see all these other tools like brightness, contrast, saturation, brilliance, sharpen, and others. So the first thing I do is that I come to brightness. Once I come to brightness, I normally put my brightness on 15. All right, so once I put my brightness on 15, then come to contrast, then put my contrast on 20. All right, so I put my contrast on 20. Saturation, when I come to saturation, I put saturation on 10. Right, then brilliant, I take my brilliant back to minus 20. Minus 20, that's where I put my brilliant, minus 20. Then my sharpen, I take my sharpen all the way to 70. Before I was using 50, but recently I'm using 70. Understand? So then the next thing, this HSL, I don't use them. The next thing I use is highlight. So I just come to highlights right here. You can see highlight here. Then tap on highlight. Then put my highlight on minus 20. Understand? Then come to shadow. Put my shadow on minus 20. Right. Then come to this temp. Understand? When I come to temp, I put my temp on minus 40. Right, you can see the color is changing. Right, the color is changing. So the next thing I do is this HEU. I come and put it on minus 20. Right, so you can see it's already resembling my video, the way my video is. Right, so the next thing I do is I come to fade, then put fade on 10. Right, I put my fade on 10. Then the next thing is to come to green. Then I come to green and put my green on 10 as well. So as you can see, this video is exactly showing the way my YouTube videos are. So when you are color grading your own, you can actually decide to put all those stuffs on the way you want it, the way you want your color of your video to be. But this is exactly how I love my videos to be. So once in this video, I'll be teaching you guys how I edit my YouTube videos. So all you need to do is to make sure that you watch. So you can see it's showing exactly the way my video is. So this is how I color grade my videos, guys, and it's very, very easy. So all you just need to do is just to come to adjust. Then once you come to adjust, then you can now select all those things: brightness, contrast, saturation, and everything the way you want it. So that's it, guys. So we are done with the color grading. Now the next thing we're going to be doing is to generate our caption, right, and design them. Caption are those words that will be showing in my screen whenever I'm talking, and those things that I'll be saying will be showing in the screen, right? So I'll be showing you guys how I generate them and how I correct them before designing them, and also how I choose the right font and the right animation for my videos. Right, so let's go to the other side of the screen. Let me show you guys how I do that. So after color grading, the next thing I do is that I generate my caption, because I would like whatever I'm saying in my video to be showing on the screen, right? So what I normally do is that I come to text. You can see text right here. I click on this text. Once I click on this text, you can see auto caption right here. Then I tap on this auto caption. Right, once I tap on the auto caption, then I click on this generate right here. You can see generate down here. Once you tap on this generate, then you can see it will start generating. As you can see, the numbers are counting. It's generating everything that I'll be saying in the video. I will also show you guys how I correct it, because most times what you say it might not be what they will write, so you need to correct it. So I'm going to be showing you guys. Let's allow it to generate. So guys, the caption has been generated, right? This, you can see, like, let me play it a little bit. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys how I edit my YouTube video. So all you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end. You're welcome to Grow Better. In this channel, we teach people. So you can see right here, they said you are welcome to Grow Better, and this is not correct. So for me to change it to the right Grow Better, I just need to tap on this text. Once I tap on it, you can see this pencil right here, up here. Then you just need to tap on the pencil, then you can be able to edit, to correct it to what you want. So you are welcome to Grow Better. This is the Grow Better I want. So Grow Better, in this channel we teach people how to grow the social. So right here I said in this channel we teach people how to build and grow the social media. Well, what they wrote right here is in this channel I will teach people how to build good you know. So what they said right there is wrong. So I just need to tap on the text again, click on the pencil, then I'll correct it and say, in this channel we we teach people how to build, grow, how to build, grow. You can see I've corrected it.
Grow the social media platform.
So right here they say social media platform, but we are supposed to, their social media is supposed to be here. So I'll correct it to their social media platform, right? So this is exactly how you're going to be doing it until you correct every mistake that they have made, right? So I'll be showing you guys how I choose my font, and also how I design my font and put the right animation, right? So what you need to do, just tap on the text, then click on that same pencil. Once you click on that pencil, you can see right here, you can see a font, style, effect, animation, bubbles, and many more. Right here you can see template as well. So right here is, if you tap select on font, so that you'll be able to select the particular font that you like. So here are different fonts that you can actually use in your videos, right? But normally this is the one of the best fonts I like, which is this palette right here. So I just need to tap on it. You can see my text has changed, right? So once I tap on it, my text has already changed. Then I will just need to come to style. You can come to style to increase the size of it, and you can reduce it to how you want it. So I normally leave it on 6 or 7. Understand? They are okay like that. I leave it on 6 or 7. So the next thing you need to do, I don't use effect is where you select all this stuff, all this what they call it, different styles and all those things. So but I don't use effect. I normally go I normally go straight to animation. So I'll tap on animation. So what I tap on animation, the next, these are different animations you can use. But right here, all this animation is still on intro, which is in. You can see in right here, it's selected on in. So what we need to do is to come and select on caption, this caption right here. Select on this caption. Once you select on caption, it will give you more animation that you will like. So right here there are different caption animations right here, but I normally use this most
In this
times.
video,
You understand? This particular one, I use this particular one most times, but in this video I'm going to be using
in
this
this video,
particular one, right? So let me play it, guys, so that you see the text has have changed, right?
in this video, I'll be teaching you guys how I edit my YouTube videos. So all you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end.
So guys, this is how I generate my caption, edit my caption, and also animate my captions. Hope is simple, right?
So after I'm done with the captioning and the color grading and everything, the next thing I do is just to export, right? So I normally export with 4K sometimes, but depending on the storage in my phone, sometimes my phone might say the storage is not enough, then I'll now export with 1080p. So if you export with 1080, is still okay, but the normal one, which is the best, is 4K, so that will give your video high quality, right? So in this particular video, I think I'm going to be exporting with 4K. So let's go to the other side of the screen. Let me show you guys how I export my video.
Let's assume I'm done editing right now. So if I want to export, you can see this up right here, they wrote 1080p. Or you just need to tap on 1080p, then you can draw it to the end, which is 4K, 2K stroke 4K. Once you put it on 2K stroke 4K, you can just click on this arrow right here, then it will now download, right? Or you can take it to 480p, which is this one. Understand? Depending on the one your storage can carry, but the best is this 4K, 2K, 4K. Then tap on this arrow that is going up right here. You can see that it's exporting, right? So very simple, easy peasy.
So guys, this is how it looked before color grading, right? And this is how it looks after color grading. So you can see the difference, right? So you can decide to put your color the way you want, right? And this is just the way I like my videos to look, and all my videos you have been seeing recently, and this is how they look, right? So you can go there and edit the way you love your own to be like. So guys, this is exactly how I edit my video. Hope you learned something from this. If you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. And if you're new in this channel, I will urge you to subscribe, because in this channel we share amazing videos every day and you can't afford to miss them. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from it as well. So see you guys in my next video.